Okay, this is my first recording and I'm going to see if it works while this app is up. It's supposed to be a screen recorder with recording voice at the same time. This app doesn't work on every phone. It's got some issues. It's on Northlock right now with my compass effective. You can do a compass lock. Okay. No aerial would mean it puts you on a Google Earth type view. Teleport, you can select the location of hundreds of cities. I couldn't find Seattle. And then you can, and then it's got a distance finder where you can calculate distance from and to on this proper azimuthal equidistant map. You can even display the stars movement. Or no, let's start with this. Let's play it. It's paused right now. I think it starts out paused. Let's play it. Now, that's the movement of the sun and moon, if you can see it. And it started out with now being the beginning of it. Now, I'm going to show you the stars. Distance 2, set time, Earth. Okay, and it says no stars, so stars. Now, you can see what the stars' movement overhead looks like. And observation matches this. Absolutely 100%. You see the stars riding the Antarctic rim? Well, you can go as far south as you want. South of Argentina, South Africa, it doesn't matter. You will never see a focal point in the south because of this. You will never see anything close to an equivalent to Polaris or anything like that anywhere on Earth. Matter of fact, you can see Polaris from a little south of the equator itself, New Zealand. And anyway, so just like right now, you see the sun and the moon are on opposite sides of the North Pole. Well, supposedly in the globe model, they are on opposite sides of Earth. And since the moon is only 5 degrees off the elliptical plane, you can see that it's not above or below Earth. It's pretty much in the middle, just like the sun is pretty much in the middle. So that means on the globe model, the globe is directly in between, meaning the moon should be in complete darkness, except in real life it goes completely full, totally illuminated. So anyway, if you can't grasp this movement on the flat Earth with this, then you might want to pick a different hobby. You might just not have the critical thought process or even common sense to grasp a lot of this science. I do admit the indoctrination is very, very strong. The live flights, I don't know. I haven't had time to check that yet. There might even be a built-in clock down here, or maybe that's just you can just see different days and time. Oh, speaking of which, this app is called Sun, Moon, Flat Earth Astrolabe. And an astrolabe debunks an ever-expanding universe, no problem. Because an astrolabe can give you this star map of the night sky at any date in the past or any date in the future. That's impossible to do that on an ever-expanding universe, okay? Even after a day, the locations would be different. All the stars are fixed. They've always been that way. The sky is a map with a built-in compass. You've been traveling long distances and over the oceans for thousands of years like this. And that just can't happen with an ever-expanding universe. If you believe it can, then you have been not just steered wrong, but you have been brainwashed. So yeah, And right now, I just want to note there are a lot of trolls in this group, but specifically like this guy Adam that showed up. These guys are sending in these so-called smart guys who, you know, of course they went to college and learned all kinds of physics and shit, except they can't explain any of it. They want to lean on math, and Adam admitted that's all he leans on. And aside from math, easily debunking everything, including the distances we can see with telescopes, when there should be thousands of feet and sometimes a mile or two of missing curvature. It's just, you know, there's no debate. There really isn't. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the show. Class is dismissed. Now let me figure out how to stop this fucking thing. I don't see a stop button. Let's see if we can go here. Weird apps. Material screen recorder. Oh, that picture on my desktop easily debunks. That's what I'm talking about.